Did Santa come?
Yes, he did.
Did he answer your note?
This one doesn't have no note. F. For both of us, Aspen.
How old is Santa, Aspen?
I don't know. Can I open
What does it say?
Something a long time ago. Younger than the Easter Bunny, older than the Tooth Fairy, loves Santa.
Younger than the Easter Bunny, older than the Tooth Fairy.
Mom, look!
Oh, cool. Aspen, go ahead.
And Aspen,
They're all labeled
which one
with...
do you want? But it's a for, it's in for Aspen. Which one do you want?
Your name is on both the... Oh, both of your names are on some of those tags, huh? So some of the presents are for you.
Peace sign, peace sign, peace sign. Oh, this one is for... And where's the tag?
I think I can.
Oh, look, this is it's for both of us. Okay, let's open it. Whoa. Look, Mom.
What is it?
I don't know.
What does it say it is?
Night sight goggles in 3D.
Night vision goggles.
Both of us too. Ready? This one's for both of us.